Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I've just received my premium pen from the Kindle Scribe. I like it a lot because first of all, many of you may know that one of the most attractive functions of the Kindle Scribe is that you can actually write, because it has these kinds of notebooks that you can choose. You can make different kinds of notebooks. You can have a one like that, simple, or you can have it like squares to do math, stuff like that. It's very nice. And with this premium pen you get many functions that I like a lot. Obviously you can write like normal. You could theoretically draw. I'm not much of a drawer, but here it is. This is me. And it has this button that you can use it to erase. You don't need to use any kind of strength, and it's quite easy, just like a normal pencil will do. But this pen, the premium one, that is this one that I've got here, has this little button. Then when you press it, you can do more stuff. Right now I have it configured like a highlighter, so I can highlight what I'm writing, or let's say and immediately you can highlight very easily like that. I like it a lot because you can configure it to do different kinds of stuff, like being a fountain pen. You know, this kind of fancy pens that you can get. As you can see, it's different. Oh, it's kind of ugly, but luckily I can erase it and do it again. With just pressing the button like this. Here in the settings menu, you can choose the settings that you want for your pen, and as you can see, you can choose from this wide variety of shortcuts that you can use with this button. I like to have it on the highlighter because I mostly use the pen when I'm on classes, so I can highlight the most important parts of the text. And it also has a magnet that is very useful, because you can just leave it right there, paying attention to the meeting, if you're taking notes in a meeting, or to the class. And when you need to write something, you can again take it out and write. Okay, another stickman. So as you can see, this is a very practical pen. I like it. It's very easy to use, and it's a must-have is you have the Kindle Scribe.